What if I told you that right now, there are 5 AI tools that could give you back 10 hours every single week? Not someday. Not when AI gets better. Right now. I tested over 30 AI tools in the last 3 months, so you don't have to. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which ones are worth your time and which ones are just hype. Stay until the end because number 5 is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the most powerful one on this list. Welcome to Evolve with AI, where we break down the best AI tools so you can work smarter, make more money, and stay ahead of the curve. If that sounds like something you need, hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Claude AI, made by Anthropic. Now, most people have heard of ChatGPT, but Claude is doing things that ChatGPT simply can't match right now. Here's what makes it different. Claude can handle massive amounts of text at once. We're talking entire books, full business plans, long contracts, all in one prompt. Where does this save you time? If you're writing content, emails, reports, or doing any kind of research, Claude cuts that time in half. Minimum. I use it every single day. And I'd estimate it saves me at least 2 to 3 hours per week on writing alone. Free plan available. Paid plan starts at around $20 per month. Tool number 2 is InVideo AI. This one is specifically for video creation, and it's insane how simple it is. You type a prompt. Literally just describe the video you want. InVideo AI writes the script, finds the footage, adds the voiceover, and exports a finished video in under 30 minutes. For YouTube creators, marketers, or anyone who needs video content regularly, this tool alone can save you 3 to 5 hours per video. Plans start at around $25 per month. Completely worth it if video is part of your workflow. Tool number 3 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google, but smarter. Instead of clicking through 10 different websites to find an answer, Perplexity searches the web in real time and gives you a direct, sourced answer in seconds. For research, fact-checking, or staying updated on your industry, this replaces at least an hour of browsing every single day. Free plan is genuinely good. Pro plan is $20 per month. Tool number 4 is Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes or project management, this is a no-brainer upgrade. Notion AI can summarize meeting notes, write project briefs, generate task lists, and even draft entire documents, all inside your existing workspace. No switching apps, no copy-pasting, everything stays in one place. This one saves me personally around 2 hours per week on organization and documentation. And tool number 5, the one most people overlook, is Make.com combined with AI. Make is an automation platform. And when you connect it with Claude, ChatGPT, or any AI tool, you can build workflows that run completely on autopilot. For example, every time you get an email from a client, Make can automatically summarize it with AI, create a task in your project management tool, and send you a notification without you touching anything. This is where AI goes from saving hours to potentially replacing entire parts of your workflow. Free plan available. Paid plans start at $9 per month. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that can realistically save you 10 hours every week. Claude for writing. InVideo for video. Perplexity for research. Notion AI for organization, and Make for automation. Start with one. Get comfortable. Then add the next. If you found this useful, subscribe, because every week I'm breaking down the best AI tools and showing you exactly how to use them to work smarter and make more money online. And drop a comment below. Which one of these are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next one.